In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your resume private on Indeed. In a world where job seekers often have concerns about their privacy, especially with their personal information posted online, this is an essential and often overlooked step in your job search. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First off, if you don't already have an Indeed account, you'll need to create one. It's a pretty straightforward process. Head over to the Indeed website or download the Indeed app if you prefer to use your phone. Once there, click on the Sign Up option. You can sign up using your email address or even your Google or Facebook accounts for added convenience. Just follow the prompts, fill in your details, and you'll have your account up and running in no time. Now, if you already have an account, just go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, you'll land on your Indeed dashboard. This is your central hub for everything related to your job search. From here, look for the Profile or Resume section. This varies slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app. Once you're in the Profile or Resume section, you'll see your resume displayed prominently. This is the important part. You want to look for the privacy settings that will help you manage who can see your resume. On the desktop version, you should see an option that says something along the lines of Visibility, Privacy Settings, or Resume Privacy. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. After clicking on Privacy Settings, you'll notice a few options to choose from. Indeed allows you to make your resume publicly visible or to limit visibility to employers you apply to directly. If you are opting for privacy, I recommend setting your resume to private. This essentially means that while you can still apply for jobs and employers will see your application, your resume will not be searchable by other employers or recruiters. You may also have options such as Only Visible to Employers I Apply to or Hide My Resume Completely. If you are actively seeking employment but want to keep your details under wraps until you apply, this Only Visible to Employers I Apply to setting can be a great compromise. It allows potential employers to view your qualifications without broadcasting your information to the whole world. If you're using the Indeed app, the steps are similar. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Settings or Privacy section, and you'll find the same visibility options. Just tap to select the privacy level you prefer. Now, after making your selection, make sure to save those changes. It can be easy to forget this last step. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page or in the upper corner, and make sure to click that before you leave the screen. If you've done this correctly, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your resume privacy settings have been updated successfully. And that's it. You have now taken decisive action to safeguard your personal information on Indeed. It's a simple process, but it makes a world of difference in maintaining control over who sees your career history and personal details. Remember, privacy is essential, especially in today's digital age, where everyone is a little more cautious about their online presence. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you take on freelance work or want your resume to be visible again. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy job search tips and advice. Stay tuned for our next